Hey guys and girls, what up? In this video I want to talk about XAUUSD, which I call it gold. It is a gold. If you look at the chart from, I don't know, weekly time frame, you can see a box. Yes, before that you can see we had a channel here, right here. Before that we had the uptrend and uptrend since let's say 2018, and before that a trading range, and since 2013 till 2018, 2019. Here, let's clarify it and determine it. Yes, we had this gold in a box for, I don't know, 6 years or so. Before that, another trading range here. It's kind of a trading range, although it's downturn, but it's a trading range. And before that we had an impulsive and major trend, uptrend, and this one for, I don't know, at least since 2008 till 2011, as you can see. And yeah, we had a upside trend, and let's say if you bought this at this point, you could make 58%, let's say 59% profit in a more than a year. Let's say 1 year and a half you could make this money. But what about now? What do we have here? Okay, you can consider this down trend for this. You have a top lower than its prior top, and you have lows upper than, higher than its priors. And you can also consider it like a channel and make this chart line-ish, so you can see it better. See it. You can also consider it channel. Yeah, it's a good channel. It's a bearish channel actually. Yeah, it's better than considering this as a triangle. You know, it's not a good triangle because the legs, they are not match. You know, if I consider, some people consider this triangle, but if you notice, you can see, okay, here you don't have any hit, any reaction to this line, and you have this big leg here, but this minor and small leg here, they don't match. You know, there should be some relation between the waves and legs, which we don't see it here. and it's more like a bearish channel to me. And yes, okay, let's go in a lower time frame. In lower time frame, you can also consider a trading range within this bearish channel. You can also consider a trading range. And most in most cases, channels tend to evolve into a trading range when the channel start to weaken. It evolves to a trading range like this one. What are the what conditions we have to have in order to have a channel and in order to have a trading range? Okay, we need some at least 2 tops and 2 lows in the same area, in the same line or area, and it means that we have the price inside within and inside some boundaries, and price doesn't go any further and doesn't cross usually. Yeah, sometimes it happens, which we call it stop hunting, and it's when the opposite side of the market, they try to hit the stops of the dominant part of the market, or maybe opposite, I don't know. It's like you know, when you are at top of the trading range, usually bulls, they take profit, and bears, they start to take short position. But sometimes bulls, they cross this level and they go higher, and those who took short position here, they probably stopped out because we usually put our stop loss beyond these levels, which you can see. Yeah, it's probably execute a lot of positions and hit a lot of stops. Okay, I wanna turn it back to candlestick chart. This is a daily time frame, and right now we have the price near, it hasn't reached the top yet, but it's near this you know, area, and you have to be aware and you have to be cautious about that. And if you see further confirmations and more confirmations, you may take a position, short position. In 4-hour time frame, you can see a channel here, bull channel here. Let me erase this one. Yes, we have a channel here, and I'm talking about this bull channel. In bull channel, it's a broad channel. In broad channel, you can both sell and buy it, but it's better if you buy it. It's more probable, its probability and winning rate is higher. Can also consider midline for it. Let's see. In this bullish channel, as I said, in daily time frame, we are near the top of this trading range. We can see there for this chart, and we also have this bullish channel. If price hit this area, hit this level, yeah, it's a good time if you wanna have a short position. You can set it here. After all, we are reached at this at the top of this trading range, and we also hit this upper line of this bullish channel. So they are all telling us that it's a good opportunity if you want to take short. Yes, it's a good opportunity for you. And in other hand, and furthermore, we have this channel. We draw it in the weekly time frame, if you remember, and we are also kind of near this upper line of this bearish channel in this huge big bearish channel. You have to take a look at this too. So so far you realized my strategy and what I'm talking about. You can, if you wanna short this, if you wanna wait after it hit this level. But if you take a if you have a closer look at this chart, you can see also a bearish channel inside this bullish channel, which itself is inside this trading range, and this trading range is inside this bearish channel in higher time frame. But we have 1, 2 bearish legs so far, and in bearish channel we expect to see the third one. It's not promised, but and there's no guarantee for that, but yeah, it's can expect that one. So we have is this bearish channel here in this 4-hour time frame, or you can look at it in what happened. Okay, sorry, I lost it for a moment. Okay, so we have this in 4-hour time frame. Let's have a look at this chart in 1-hour time frame. Here we can have a bigger details. We have more details in this time frame. We can see pullbacks and other stuff. We can also draw a trend line for this. I don't want to make it more messy, but yeah, definitely you can have it draw a trend line for it, and after it after you see a breakout under this trend line, you can enter the position. But as you can see, we see this pullback here, and it's forming it's starting it started to form another leg, maybe it's probable, and we can see it in higher prices, like the upper line of this bullish channel. We can also have an order here. I already set an order, sell order in this at this point, in this point, and I will tell you why is that and why here. Okay, we have this ATR indicator. It's a good indicator. It tells you the average movement of the price. You know, I use it for recognizing engulf, and it's a really handy and useful indicator for entering positions. And I usually enter position after I see the candle engulf this bullish candle, for example, like 180R. You know, if you see it engulf this candle for 180R, you can enter the position because it has the minimum power of the price at this time frame. But as I said, I decided to have another order in lower prices, you know, just in case if price moves higher. I don't want to miss this. I can set my order at this level, and I want to show you about stop loss. I just put my stop loss above this level, which in future it will become a top for me. And my I was humble about my take profit because you know, I wanted to increase my winning rate. Yeah, I admit that my risk to reward is not that good, but my winning rate is high. If you want to have a high winning rate, you have to sacrifice your winning rate, and if you want to have you have to sacrifice your R2R ratio, and if you want to have a high R2R ratio, you have to sacrifice your winning rate. So at this point, I sacrificed my R2R. It's not that bad, but it's not that much good either. Okay, yeah, I want to set another position here. Sell position, stop position. Okay, I can put it at this level, at this price, 1829.93. Yes, that's correct. And that's my sell limit. That's my sell limit position. About my take profit, I want to put it okay this one is my first position. Sorry, this one is my first position, and my stop loss here, and my take profit, and this one is my sell limit position. I want to put my stop loss on above this trading range, and my take profit it's good if I put it just here, and I think it's this one has a better risk to reward. Yeah, this one has a better risk to reward. We have a smaller stop loss. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestion, and I have a surprise for you. I want to start a trading course. It's complete. I want to teach you everything from A to Z, from the scratch, and for amateurs, for professionals, for all of you. It's a great, one of the greatest course in the market, and I wanna through it public. It's public. All people can watch it and practice the ideas and the studies. I want to teach you everything. I already told you a lot of things in my videos, but I want to make it more compact, and make it more professional. I have been professional, but I want to make it more neat and pure. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.